Mitsubishi Triton Savana. Special editions in the automotive world are usually nothing more than an excuse to slap colorful stickers on an old truck and charge extra for it. But the plot twist with the Savana is that it actually brings functional equipment instead of cosmetic fluff meant to boost the ego of someone who's never touched real mud. Based on the top-tier Katana version, this Brazil-exclusive pickup tries to justify its existence with upgrades that make a real difference in practice, even if most buyers will probably just use it to intimidate compact hatchbacks in city traffic. The styling is intentionally exaggerated, offered in rally yellow or forest green to make sure you're visible from miles away while pretending to be an explorer. The real technical highlight is the functional snorkel, which raises the wading depth from 500 to 800 millimeters. This means you can cross deep floods without turning the engine into a giant paperweight. The package also includes a roof rack for hauling useless gear and reinforced side steps, rock sliders, that protect the bodywork when your questionable spatial awareness makes you scrape against a rock. The 18-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires complete the look, ditching old-school steel for something that photographs beautifully on Instagram. Mechanically, Mitsubishi played it safe and kept the already proven setup. The engine is a 2.4-liter bi-turbo diesel with 202 horsepower and 470 newton-meters of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and the Super Select 2 4WD system. The price for all this fun isn't cheap. The suggested retail price is $349,990, which converts to roughly $65,100 internationally. It's a steep cost to coat your truck in mud, but you're paying for the convenience of having everything installed at the factory with a warranty, saving you from dealing with questionable mechanics around the corner. Inside, the external brutality disappears, giving way to a cabin with dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and a 9-inch infotainment system. It's the comfort you need if you want to feel like Rambo without sacrificing your air conditioning. Production is extremely limited to just 80 units, making it an instant collector's item for brand enthusiasts. In the end, the Savana delivers exactly what it promises: a war-ready pickup equipped with advanced technology to make sure you get to your destination in one piece. The Mitsubishi Triton Savana is an impressive piece of off-road engineering, but it comes with a harsh moral lesson. Having $65,000 worth of equipment, snorkels, and mud tires doesn't buy skill. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll get this limited edition truck stuck just as easily as you'd get a cheap economy car stuck. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.